Hello learners, today class is preparation part 1. At, we use at before time, night and location. We use on before days, before date, and we use in before season, month, years and morning, afternoon and evening. The first question, dash Monday. Monday is a day, so we use on. Summer. Summer is a season, so we use in. 5 o'clock. It's a time, so we use at. Next, September. September is a month, so we use in. The 3rd of May. The 3rd of May is a particular day, so we use days on. Dinner time. Dinner time is a time, so we use at. 2025 is a year, so we use in. Brother's birthday is a particular day, day, so we use particular day on. The last few months, so use in. Break time is a time, so we use at. A sunny day. Sunny day is a day, so we use on. Next, evening. Evening in, had in, night, A time, so use at. New Year's Day is also particular day, so we use on. The station. The station is a location, so we use at. The present. The present is a time, so use